And we are back. What's up, guys? So this is gonna be a update on investing $2 every day in the stock market, and this month is our 9-month update. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to show you guys what the results are for investing money in the stock market if you do it consistently. Overall, what type of results you're most likely gonna see if you start right now. So that being said, let me just show you guys what the results are so far, how much money we got in the market, and overall, let me just show you guys what investing $2 every day in the market really is. Let me just open the app and let me show you guys. And this is what we got so far. We have a total of $2,402. I don't know what to tell you guys, but this also includes buying power. So in reality, the amount of money that we do have in the market is $2,104. Yes, I know this doesn't seem like a lot of money probably for some, but the other thing about this experiment is I'm not investing on weekends. So the fact that I'm saying that I'm investing $2 every single day is not really true. Only days that I'm truly investing is only when the stock market is open. That is the reason why we have $2,104 rather than more. Now let me just show you guys what the results have been in the past few months. We're up $4 just right now. Currently right now it's 9:13, so the market has barely opened, but we're still seeing great results. That's for today. And now let's go for the week. And for the week, as you guys can see, we're up $52.12. Now let's go to the first month. And in the first month, as you guys can see, the market always comes up, comes down, but overall, as you guys can see, it came up and we're up $55.56. It looks like we had a rough month, but when you consistently just put money in, stuff like this, you don't really got to think about it twice. Now in 3 months, as you guys can see, we're up $213.03. And I don't know how to tell you guys, just the results speak for itself. And that being said, let's just move on to the year to date. What year to date means is from the beginning of the year. So from the beginning of the year, we have made a total of $263.93. Overall, we just seen a 12.34% in the past 9 months. This is usually what the market usually does performance wise, around 10 to 20%. The fact that we made a 12% gain throughout these 9 months is not really that shocking. So that's just for the year to date. Now let me show you guys what the results are for the last 1 year and 9 months. So as you guys can see, this is my results from the beginning of this experiment. We have a total gain of $310.84. That's what we got so far, and our overall gain in the last 2 years have been around 14%. Like I said, this is all consistency, putting money in, not thinking about it twice, just leaving it and just being consistent at the end of the day. Now that being said, let me just show you guys what type of ETFs I have been investing in the past 9 months. So for the first stock that I've been investing in is VYM, Vanguard's high dividend yield ETF. And the reason why I'm investing in something like this is because after running some calculations, the fact that you can get more out of your money with investing in a smaller ETF that gives you the same results as the SP 500, in my opinion, that just seems like a better choice. And because of this, I just been investing in VYM. Now let me show you guys how much dividends I actually got paid at the end of the day. So as you guys can see, I do not lie, this is what we actually are here for. I know what he's gonna say, it's not a lot, but it's just doing it consistently and just not thinking about it twice. So we start off our first dividend payout with 28 cents. As I told you guys, that's just the beginning of what this experiment was really gonna show us. But as you guys see, from 28 cents, we went up to 87 cents. From 87 cents, we went to $1.68. From $1.68, we went to $3.72. From there, we went to $2.94. There we went to $5.77, and from that point we went to $5.71. Like I said, guys, this is just consistency. This is also the effect of compound interest. In other terms, what they use is called the snowball effect. Overall, at the end of the day, although we start off with a small amount, slowly but surely it just keeps increasing as we go. Now let me show you guys my next stock that I chose for this experiment. So for the next stock that I chose is a stock that is a little bit more riskier compared to other stocks because this stock is fairly new in the market. At the same time, it's from a really well-known corporations and probably few have even thought about investing in, and this stock is JEPI, JP Morgan's equity premium. The biggest beauty about this stock is the fact that unlike big dividend stocks that pay quarterly dividends, it pays monthly. That was the real reason why I chose this stock, because like I said to you guys, I'm really looking for high dividend stocks so we could grow this portfolio as quick as we can. On top of having great performance, I just took a risk and went with this stock. Although you guys probably see it as a risky investment, in my opinion, I just saw it as a great opportunity. Now, let me just show you guys how much dividends we actually got paid. As you guys can see, these are the results on our dividends. And as you guys can see, our first dividend payout was 5 cents. If you guys want to see what the results are from the past year, you guys could go see my other videos. Now, let me just show you guys how much JEPI has paid us from the beginning of this year. And as you guys can see, we started off with $2.52. Like I said, compound interest, that's how it works. So with $2.52, it went to $2.03. It just slowly increases to $2.26, $2.58 to $2.96, and $3.57 to $3.51. In October, they paid us $5.13. And since we're in November, our most recent payout is going to be a total of $5.23. This is what the beauty of dividend stocks really looks like. This just happened with $2 every day in the market. Overall, this is just the progress. If you guys want to see how much this total comes out to be, I'm gonna give you guys that for the next video that we're gonna see in the next 3 months. So if you guys want to see that, remember, stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys how much exactly we got in total. At the end of the day, this is just what $2 every day in the market really gives you. And that being said, now let me show you guys the next stock that I've been investing in this experiment. Now, for the next stock is a stock also similar to JEPI, which it comes from the JP Morgan family, and this stock is something similar to the Nasdaq itself. It also came out most recent. So in my opinion, the fact that I saw great performance and great dividend payouts, like I said, I'm just gonna be consistent with it at the end of the day. But the stock that I chose is JEPQ. The thing about JEPQ is, like I said, it moves similar to the Nasdaq. And if you guys been in the market, one of the biggest ETFs that's moving right now is the Nasdaq. The fact that this moves similar to the Nasdaq and it gives a higher payout, that is the reason why I chose JEPQ. And I just like to take some risks. Although this is a new ETF, it could probably plummet. I'm just taking the risk that this most likely goes the same as the Nasdaq. In the past few months, this saw a downside in the beginning. Like I said, anything in the market has its upsides and its downsides. Now, let me just show you guys what we're here for, our dividend payouts. As you guys can see, we started off with $1.87, which led to October with JEPQ paying us a total of $2.28. And in November, we got paid a total of $2.49. This is just the results that we got so far. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep investing in this stock because in my opinion, I just prefer getting paid monthly rather than quarterly. This stock, although it's fairly new, the fact that it's a JP Morgan product and it moves similar to the Nasdaq itself, it's just a small risk to pay at the end of the day. Overall, this is just the results that we got, and the market just opened as I'm talking to you guys right now, and we're going on a bear mode at the moment. But overall, we have just been seeing bull market. And like I said, the reason why I'm doing this is just to show you guys what the results are if you start investing now rather than later. The fact that you can start something early right now with only $2 every single day, you're just bound to see more effects of compound interest in a earlier stage. And in my opinion, this is just a way better option than just putting money in a savings account and just trying to save money, because the fact that inflation has been increasing, investments like this is just how you can start building your money for your future, or probably just start making money without even realizing it. But like I said, this is just my results. So if you think that something like this is most likely to happen to you, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever you guys do, remember to do your own research. These are just my results. The reason for why I'm doing this is for educational and entertainment purposes. At the end of the day, like I said, I'm just a guy in the internet. That being said, remember to hit that like button for the algorithm. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this, and until the next time, you guys are going to see my overall progress in 2 years, what investing money in the market really is all about. So subscribe for more videos, and remember to take care, be safe, we're out.